Hi guys, welcome back to Unlocks. I got so many queries related to web development roadmap guys. What is a web development? Where to start this? What to learn and how to do this guys. In this video, I will be telling you the complete details regarding the web development guys. Now, first of all, we need to understand what does a web development means. Now there are two terms guys, web and development. Web means internet and development means something that you create, something that you build. And we will be creating a website over the internet guys. Even if you are building a skyscraper or a website guys, your foundation needs to be very strong. So if you are building a website, there are three important things that you have to learn to build a strong foundation in the web development guys. That is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now for 2 minutes, forget about that you are building a website guys. Imagine you are building a car. What will be your first step guys to build a car? Can I say that you will be starting with the design of the car, the blueprint of the car, and then convert that blueprint into the body of the car guys? But still it is incomplete, right? We cannot drive this car. After this, what we will be doing is, we will be adding style to our car guys. Like we will change the interior, the colors and make the car look beautiful. Yes? Still it is pending guys. Still we cannot use the car. So the next step will be making the car functionable by adding engine, steerings, wheels and everything so that we can drive a car. What if I tell you that we have to use the same approach to build a website guys? It is not very hard. First, you have to start with the blueprint of the website, the structure of the website, which tells whatever we are adding inside our web page, the content, like the login form, the product card, and so on guys. And for that, we use HTML. Secondly, we want the website to look beautiful guys, not a dull website, okay? So to make the website attractive, we will be adding the style, like changing the font colors, background properties, design and layout. For that, we will be using CSS. CSS help us to do the style of the website guys. Still, is this enough? Or I want my website to be functionable. Like what? If I click on add to cart button, I want the product should be added to the cart. For that, we will learn JavaScript guys. JavaScript help us to add logic and interaction guys. Now you will tell me, sir, is this enough to create a website? No guys. If you want to build a complete website, there are three categories or I can say the three pillars of website guys. That is known as the front end, back end and the database. Now let us try to understand what is a front end means. Front end means whatever the user interacts with the screen. Whatever the website that is there on your device screen, which is visible to the user guys, that is known as the front end. And to build a front end, we can definitely use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Along with that, we will use one framework known as React.js. Now, what is the difference between React.js, right? React.js is very simple, easy, and a very fast way to build a front end of the website guys. Then we will be using the backend guys. Coming to backend. Backend is known as the brain of the website where we perform all the logical operation. Like example, suppose if you add your wrong email ID or the username or the password, will you able to log in guys? No, right? And who verifies this? The backend which runs behind your screen. And lastly, we have database. For that, as a beginner, I would suggest you start with learning MongoDB. Why? Because it is very beginner friendly guys and easy to use. What is the use of database? It is a place where you store the data like your user details, product details, order details and so on. Now is this enough? Actually, you have done the 90% part. The only thing that is left is the connection guys. Front end connected to back end and back end connecting to database. It is done by using an API. An API is just like a messenger guys. Like example, there is a waiter or a helper in a restaurant who helps you to take your order, goes to the kitchen, gets your order to the table. And this API we will be building by using Express.js. While learning everything guys, you will be known as MERN Full Stack Developer or MERN Web Developer guys. I hope after watching this video guys, now you can understand the complete roadmap of a web developer guys, okay, and which is easy for you to start with. So let us turn your hello world to hire me guys. Best of luck, have a good day. And also if you want to learn web development from basic guys, we have an upcoming series where you can learn web development from scratch. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you don't miss out any updates. See you in the next video.